That's awesome. Wow, what a day we had, guys. I came here at the local trails to test a couple of cameras, and I ended up filming this intro at the very end because lighting is amazing. We had some great adventures today. So let me roll the video by you now, but I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Yes, we had a lot of fun. No, I am not injured, even though I had a pretty nasty spill. So here we go. Here we are late in 2025. This is November, believe it or not. And today I hope to get some cool videos with a couple of toys that I just got. I'm pretty excited about both of them. You're staring at one right now. And the second one is the X5, the 360 camera that I think is finally ready for some rugged action like mountain biking. So in this video, I'll give you my 2 cents about it. Woo! One other thing that I like about these guys is just the ability to reframe, like from looking at me right now to looking straight at this. And you can see CN Tower far in the distance, a clear day. Just beautiful. All right, let's go. Look at the giant. Yeah, man. Let's do this. That should be an interesting shot. There you go. This is the look down shot, like a drone following shot. Here's some creative shots. See us from the front. You look in front of us as well. You can look in a lot of ways. And here's rough trade where we want to stop. We're gonna put this on the handlebar. We'll see some really unique views from that camera. Don't go your usual speed, okay? You're too fast for me. It's getting really dark. I get rained on. Here we go. That's the rain that I was talking about. So we decided to continue on with our little adventure. Light rain, November rain, go ultra. I have it on that Pendant. So it's the magnetic one under my jacket. Here we go. Bring this down and watch this. Awesome. And this goes into my pocket. It's not raining that hard, so not a biggie. Okay, mister, pin it. All right. Boy, you got that live, didn't you? Let me see if I can bend this back a bit more. Adventures from the trail. Just wearing these little toys, and that's where the great memories come from. So yeah, let's continue on. Look at that, slippery rock. Woo. Look at this view. Keep it stable. Okay.